Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should start by powering the laptop off and unplugging it. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove any removable battery so there is no stored power. Ground yourself with an ESD strap or by touching a metal surface to avoid damaging sensitive chips. Next, flip the laptop, remove labeled screws, and pry open the access panel using a plastic tool to avoid scratching. Do this now because gaining safe internal access is the first step to reaching the GPU assembly. Once the panel is off, identify the GPU module. You want to see its screws and any cables. Loosen the heatsink screws using the correct driver. They may be spring-loaded, so turn them in a star pattern to release pressure evenly. Carefully lift the heatsink assembly to expose thermal pads and the card. This prevents bending the board. Make sure to unplug fan and display cables that pass near the card. Then locate the retention screw or latch that secures the GPU before you attempt to slide it out. You will unlock the retention mechanism and pull the GPU straight out. Avoid twisting to prevent connector damage. Once removed, clean old thermal paste from the GPU die and heatsink with isopropyl alcohol and replace any degraded thermal pads for proper cooling. Apply a thin, even bead of fresh thermal compound, reseat the heatsink, and reconnect fan and display cables. Before closing the case, power on to confirm post and fan operation. If it fails, recheck connectors and seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.